Welcome back to Shots. This is a tip that I learned in a book called Excel 40, and I should thank Mr. Excel for this because he's the one who taught me this particular dimension. How do you select a data set which is not continuous here without using a mouse? Normally what we will do is, if I want to get the surname and age, then I'll select the whole surname, I'll press the control button, and then I'll select the age here, and then I'll select the whole list here. This is how we normally select a data set. Instead of doing this, we can use this sort of selection without a mouse here. So I'm going to select the whole data set from top to bottom here. If I want to add a selection here, I'm going to press Shift F8. And if you closely watch at the bottom of my screen, you will see an add or remove selection will come into play. Now I'm going to give a control backspace so that my cursor goes to the top. I'm not touching the mouse now, I'm just moving my arrow key here. You can see the arrow key is moving on. The selection is not deselected here. I'm going to select the whole list from the top to bottom. I got the list. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to a brand new sheet and paste them. That's going to populate the data set automatically one after the other one. This is how we can use multiple column selection without touching a mouse, even if the column is not, or even if it is a non-continuous columns if you have in your data set. This is Vinod signing off from Myself Academy YouTube channel. Short video again, but beyond short timing. Thank you.